Hey guys, and welcome again. In this tutorial we're going to introduce parent and child relation, and we'll see how we use this relation to style elements in CSS. So let's get started. As we have seen in previous courses, HTML course, that when we want to create an HTML file, we start creating that with HTML tag. And inside the HTML tag, we have head, and we have the body tag as well. And now when we want to introduce the relation between the HTML and the two tags that we have created inside the HTML tag, we say that HTML is the parent of both tags head and body. And likewise, these two tags are the childs of HTML tag. And now we are going to create some content inside the body. So this is a paragraph here, and I'm going to create another paragraph inside of a container. So I'm going to create a div tag. Inside this div tag I have a paragraph. So this is my container, and inside this container I have a paragraph. If you refresh, we see now we have these two paragraphs inside the page. So if you come here to CSS and say that we want to style the paragraphs, and here we change the color to red, and we refresh here, we see that all the paragraphs I have in the page has turned to red. And that's because by including the paragraph tag here, I have included all the paragraphs I have in my HTML file. But let's say here that I want to style this paragraph which is inside the container. So we can do that by going to CSS, and here we say that we have a div tag. Inside this div tag we have a child called P, which is the paragraph, and here I'm going to change this paragraph which is inside the container to green. So I save here, and as you can see now this paragraph has turned to green, because I target this paragraph with the parent-child relation. And let's say here inside this container and inside the paragraph, I have here another tag which I created now, which is a span. And let's say that we want to style this span in CSS. So we can say that we have a div. Inside the div we have a paragraph, and inside the paragraph we have a span that we want to style, and this one I'm going to change the color to blue. So if I will save and refresh, and we see now our span has become blue. And we say here that span is the grandchild of the container or the div tag, and likewise we say div is the grandparent of the span. So this is how we use parent-child relation, and this is how we target element with this relation in CSS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.